Priscilla, look what I have. Look at here. Look at just in time. Yeah. Oh, it's a baby. Wait until she gets her, or he, gets her adult feathers. You'll see usually like a more brilliance in the peach. Sometimes their whole head turns orange. But anyway, this is a beautiful animal and sweet. Priscilla paid for to have it tamed, trained. But our birds are all hand-fed. But we don't work with all of them because there's too many. There are too many to work with all of them. Let's get you up here where she can see you. Oh, God, look at that beautiful face. Look at that beautiful bird. You are the most gorgeous animal. Yes. Oh, she goes, oh, I know. It's true. Okay, we're going to do a little upside down thing. Oh, baby. You. No. Coming back up for air. Coming back up for air. Well, when she's down, she says, that's too awkward, isn't it? She says, I don't want to be shown like that. Yeah. I can show your butt. That's pretty. Here. Yeah. No. You're the cutest. Are you the cutest little bird or what? Such a happy little bird. Yeah. When she flies, she'll sit there and wait for you to pick her up. So, guys, if you want a trained, tamed lovebird, you can get one at our site along with ones that have been hand-fed but not worked with. You can get your almost any kind of bird that you love, almost. Just go to our site and check it out. See what you can find. It's at Flybabies Aviary, FlyBabiesAviary.com, and check it out. Get yourself a Christmas bird or a birthday bird or just one to love. Oh, you're so pretty. Be sure to subscribe. That seems to be helping. More people are subscribing to our channel. And you'll get to see all the cute little birdies. Oh, they love this. Here, get your feet up there. There you go. They love to be right there. And it gives them the feeling of security. That's my baby. He's a baby girl. You are so precious. Okay, that's all. I just want to tell you I love the birdies and I love you. I love our customers. We have the best customer base.